Alright guys, here we are at the ESUN booth. There's a small booth. I'm going to park in the middle and you guys can swipe around and see everything that's going on. They have a lot of nice examples of prints with their filaments, and they have a nice little rack of their filaments. We'll swing by that display in a moment. It's pretty popular right now. Here's their little filament rack. I say little, but there's 3, 6, 9, almost 30 filaments there. These are their matte filaments. I actually like these matte filaments a lot. They create almost a dry, wood-like appearance, which is really cool for decorative stuff. Here we have a lighthouse. I think that's from SpongeBob. Here we have a ghost face, which is right up my alley. You guys know I'm a big thing with cosplay and whatnot. That's really nice. Let's go ahead over here. These are, I'm not sure who printed all these models, but they are really high quality. I'm actually really impressed. I don't know how well they show off here on the 360 camera, but the ESUN print examples are some of the nicest I've seen. And that is the whole booth. So very small, very compact, but very nice looking. They actually do have a resin table. Oh, the booth continues. Shall we? Let's move over here. If you swipe around, you'll see some masks. Looks like these are masks from DO3D. And the booth continues over here. We have Jiggly Octopus being printed, the E-Box Pro. Looks like we have a sample here. Very cool. Hi there. Very nice. I'll get it later. There's a TPU little horse. He's actually, wow, it's firm. It feels good. That's really nice. And they have a whole lot of their soft and elastic materials here. This whole section is their soft materials. Their Flex One flexible resin, which is really incredible. You might have noticed that it's a big thing now, printing shoes. And the show is leaning in on that. As everybody has an example of 3D printed soles and shoes. And some of them are so good you can't even tell if it's a real shoe or it's 3D printed. Really crazy stuff. For example, here's a neck rest that's 3D printed. Here's a backpack. These are support pads that are 3D printed. And it's pretty awesome.